everyone. Today we are going to learn the concept electron configuration of atom. This is one of the most important area of chemistry, and without understanding this particular concept you cannot study other concepts. Okay, this is one of the basic concept and we need to learn it thoroughly. Okay, just don't skip the video, just watch it and try to understand the concepts. I will try to simplify the concept as much as possible. Okay, we usually denote an atom by the symbol X. Okay, any sodium or magnesium or hydrogen or helium or any element which is denoted using the symbol X, and its number of protons and electrons present in atom, or the number of protons present in atom is denoted by the symbol Z. So it indicates atomic number. Atomic number means number of protons present in the atom, and protons are the positively charged subatomic particle in an atom. So atoms have subatomic particles, and one of the positively charged, the only positively charged particle of the atom is proton. Okay, that is denoted by the symbol Z. It is also known as atomic number. And the capital letter A is used to denote the number of protons plus neutrons, and this A is called mass number. A is called mass number. So number of protons is denoted by Z, and number of protons plus neutrons is denoted by A. So if I write an example, sodium 1123. Sodium 1123. Okay. In the case of sodium, how many protons will be present? Protons will be 11 and neutrons will be, protons plus neutrons is equal to 23, denoted by mass number. So number of neutrons will be 11 plus neutron is equal to 23. That indicates number of neutrons is equal to 12. Okay. So you understood there will be proton. There are proton, neutron and electron in an atom. Okay. Protons are the positively charged particles. Neutrons are chargeless particles. They do not have charge. And electrons are negatively charged particles. Okay. Electrons are negatively charged particles. Okay. Now we need to consider the Bohr structure of atom. The structure of atoms were proposed by many scientists, many chemists, and finally accepted. One of the most accepted structure is Bohr structure of atom. In the case of Bohr structure of atom, we can say that there is a nucleus. The proton and neutrons, the subatomic particles, positively charged proton and chargeless neutrons are present inside the nucleus, and electrons are present in the shells. Electrons are present in the shells surrounding the nucleus. Okay, electrons are present in the shells surrounding the nucleus. Okay, consider sodium atom. We understood that the number denoted at the bottom, the atomic number called the number of protons. It indicates the number of protons. So how many protons will be there? 11 protons will be there in a sodium atom. And number of neutrons? 12 neutrons will be present in atom. Okay. Now we need to consider the number of electrons. Number of protons and number of electrons will be equal. Number of protons and number of electrons will be equal. Okay. There will be 11 protons. So there will be 11 electrons. And one of the most important concept you should not miss is there are different shells in around nucleus. There are different shells. The first shell is called K shell. Second shell is called L shell, and third shell is called M shell. All of these shells can accommodate electrons but not equal number of electrons. K shell can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. L can accommodate maximum 8 electrons. M can accommodate maximum 18 electrons. Okay. K can accommodate only 2 electrons, L maximum 8 electrons, and M 18 electrons. Now consider the structure of sodium. Number of electrons present is equal to number of protons present. So we can say there will be 11 electrons. K can accommodate only 2 electrons. Okay. First 2 electrons will be filled in the K shell. Okay. How many electrons are left? 9 electrons are left. Total 11 electrons. 2 will be filled in the first shell. 2 will be accommodated in the first shell, K shell. And second shell cannot accommodate 9 electrons. It can accommodate only 8 electrons. So we can say the rest 8 will be in the second shell. And how many electrons are left? And the third and the last electron, 11th electron, will be present in the third shell. Okay, third shell. So now we can easily write the electron configuration of atom. In the first shell, number of electrons is equal to 2. In the second shell, number of electrons is equal to 8. And the third shell, number of electrons is equal to 1. So the electron configuration of sodium is 281. We can do this same using any other element. Any other element, you may say any element. Okay, we can consider any simple element now with only 2 shells or something. Okay, we can discuss the element fluorine. Okay, let's consider. Okay, the atomic symbol of fluorine is given like this way. You can attempt to answer it and I'll help you. Okay, F919. So first thing we need to write is the number of protons present. Number of protons present will be 9. That is atomic number of protons. So number of electrons will be same, 9. 9 protons and 9 electrons. Okay, and how many neutrons will be there? Total proton plus neutron is equal to 19 and protons number is 9. So number of neutron is equal to 10. Right, you understood the proton, neutron and electron. I mean the number of proton, neutron and electron. Okay, now write down or draw the structure. Draw the nucleus. Inside the nucleus we can say that proton and neutrons are present. 9 protons and 10 neutrons are present. And how many shells will be there? In the first, total number of electrons present is equal to 9. And the first shell can accommodate only 2. So the first 2 electrons or the first shell can accommodate the 2 electrons. How many electrons are left? 2 are filled in the first shell. And next, how many electrons will be present? 7 electrons. Second shell can accommodate maximum of 8 electrons. So it can easily accommodate 7 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons can be accommodated in the second shell. Okay, we can write the electron configuration of fluorine as 2, 7. Okay, 2, 7 is the electron configuration of atom. Okay, this is very simple. Just try to understand the number of electrons accommodated by each shell and try to fill accordingly. That's the only thing we need to learn. This is a very easy concept and you can easily attempt, and in many of exams you can see this question. Okay, don't skip the question. Try to answer it. I'll give you a homework and write and comment the answer in the comment box. Okay, try to find out the electron configuration of oxygen and magnesium. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, try to subscribe and try to support. Okay, thank you students.